Hi, Vaishnavi Mori here, and my today's topic is guidelines for pharmacovigilance. So let's see the introduction to pharmacovigilance. In that, pharmacovigilance monitor drug safety after post-market, identifies, assess, and prevent adverse effects, and ensure the public health and drug safety. Uh, Next is importance of pharmacovigilance in healthcare. In that we detect adverse drug reaction, improves patient safety and regulatory compliance, helps in risk assessment and benefit evaluation. Key global regulatory bodies, in that first one is WHO, Global Pharmacovigilance Monitoring System. Yeah, next is ICH, International Harmonization of Pharmacovigilance. FDA is there, US regulation and post marketing safety. EMA, European Pharmacovigilance Framework. And CDSCO is there, Indian Drug Safety Oversight. Here are some major global pharmacovigilance guidelines. First one is ICHE2E, risk management and safety reporting, global pharmacovigilance practices, GVP, FDA and EMA, adverse drug reporting requirements. Adverse drug reaction reporting, in that WHO and UPASLA monitoring center, FDA MedWatch programs, EMA Ultra Vigilance System, India PVPI Pharmacovigilance Program of India. Let's start with organization and objectives of ICH. ICH means International Conference on Harmonization of Technical Requirements of Pharmaceutical for Human Use. It is established in April 1990, initiative for regulators and pharmaceutical industries, and it is reformed as a non-profit legal entity under Swiss law on 23rd October 2015. Form to assure safety, quality, and efficacy of medicines. The members of ICH who included members from drug regulatory authorities and research-based industries of European Union, US and Japan, will discuss on the technical procedures and documents required is needed. So let's see the difference in the technical requirements and the procedure followed by different countries made the global marketing of drug as a time consuming and expensive. To reduce the cost and time required for the global marketing of drugs, harmonization of technical requirements has to be promoted. In the special guidelines to be framed to ensure the quality and safety efficacy of the drug. So let's see the purpose behind this. Harmonized interpretation and application of technical guidelines and requirements for marketing authorization to reduce duplication of testing of the drug under investigation, increases economical use of resources, eliminate unnecessary delay in availability of new medicines, safeguarding quality, safety, and efficacy. Accomplishment through technical guidelines that are implemented by the regulatory authority. There are three parties who cover all the region. First one is European Union, United States of America, and Japan is there. So let's see the guidelines for pharmacovigilance. The ICH has published a number of documents setting standards for safety, both clinical and preclinical trials. In preclinical guidelines, have an SD designation, example like S1, S2, etc. It should be noted that the clinical safety guidelines are designated as E. Uh, these documents provide a high degree of detail about expected manner, method, time, and frequency, circumstances in which pharmaceutical companies and other relevant parties need to report the suspected adverse reaction and other vital clinical data to the regulatory authorities. Each of the following clinical safety guidelines has identifying code, and during the lifetime of the ICH, the codes have been revised to reflect the development and evaluation of those standard documents. So let's see. The first one is E1, clinical safety and drug intended for long-term treatment of non-life-threatening condition. Second one is E2A, clinical safety and data management, definition and standard for expedient reporting. Third one is E2B, it is revised two times, maintains of the clinical safety data management, including data elements for transmission of individual case safety report. E2B is there, it is revised three times. Clinical safety data management, data elements for transmission of individual case safety reports.